Imagine this, you walk into a meeting room and you are the youngest person there, or maybe it's your very first week and everyone else has been on this project for 2 years. Someone asks you a direct question and every eye turns to you. Your heart is racing. What do you say? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to run your first stakeholders meeting with real confidence, even if you feel like the least experienced person in the room. Simple step, real phrases, no fake confidence. Let's begin. Quick hello, I am Pragati. This is day 11 of our free 40-day series. Yesterday on day 10, we learned how to prioritize requirement when everyone said there is urgent. Today, we tackle something every new BA fears, standing in front of stakeholders for the first time. Let's get into it. Let's be honest about why this is hard. In simple words, confidence in a meeting has nothing to do with your job title or how long you have worked somewhere. It comes from how well you understand the topic on the table. Stakeholders are not judging your age or your experience. They are judging whether you understand their problem and whether you can be trusted to handle it. That's it. That is something you can control from day one. Before you walk into any meeting, always get clear on these 4 things first. This alone removes most of the nervousness. First is, what is one decision or outcome this meeting needs to reach? Second, who is in the room and what does each person actually care about? Third, what do I already know and what do I honestly still need to ask? Next, what is the very first sentence I am going to say when the meeting starts? Once you have honest answer to these 4, you stop improvising and you start leading. Let's learn 3 simple habits. None of these needs year of experience. You can use all 3 in your very first meeting. Habit number 1, open with purpose, not apology. Never start a meeting by saying sorry, I am new or I don't know much about this yet. Instead, open by starting why everyone is there and what you hope to walk away with. Habit number 2, ask, don't assume. If you don't know something, ask a clear, specific question instead of guessing or staying silent. A good question shows you are engaged, not unprepared. Habit number 3, repeat it back. When a stakeholder explains something important, repeat it back in your own words before moving on. This does 2 things. It confirms you understand correctly and it makes the stakeholders feel heard. These 3 habits work in every meeting, whether you are the newest person on the team or you have been there for 5 years. Let's go back to our movie app team. It's your first stakeholders meeting and 3 tricky moments comes up. Situation. What it looks like, what do? You are the youngest person. Assume you lack experience even if you are prepared and solid. Let's your preparation speak. Come with facts, not opinions. You are brand new. You don't know the full history or politics in the room yet. Ask honest question instead of pretending to know everything. Someone senior disagrees, it feels safer to just agree and move on. Restate their points, then calmly explain your reasoning. So, notice the pattern in every situation. You are not pretending to know more than you do and you are not sneaking back either. You are being clear, honest and prepared. That combination is what earned respect in the room at any age of experience level. The hardest moment is when someone asks something you truly do not know. Here are simple, honest phrases that work well. That's a good question. Let me confirm the exact numbers and follow up with you tomorrow. I don't want to guess on this one since it affects your team directly. Can I come back to you by end of the day? I haven't looked at that part of the system yet. Who would be the right person for me to check with? Notice none of these say I don't know and stop there. Each one says I don't know yet and here is exactly how I will find out. That is what real confidence sounds like. Now let's talk about the 3 simple mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, talking too much to hide nervousness. Over-explaining makes you sound less sure, not more. Say what's needed, then stop and listen. Mistake number 2, agreeing with everything to avoid conflict. Nodding alone to every opinion in the room makes stakeholders trust you less or more. It's fine to disrespectfully disagree if you explain your reasoning. Mistake number 3, walking in without a clear next step. Every meeting should end with a clear what happened next and by when. Without the stakeholders leave unsure if anything was actually decided. So to recap in simple words, Prepare your 4 things before the meeting. Use the 3 habits of purpose questions and repeating back. And when you genuinely don't know something, say so honestly and follow up. That is generally most of what confident stakeholder handling looks like, even on day 1. So in tomorrow's video on day 12, we will cover how to write a user story that developers actually understand with zero back and front confusion. Don't miss it. So if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe. This is a full 40-day series, completely free, completely step by step. So tell me in the comments, what is the one stakeholder question that scares you the most? I read every comment. See you tomorrow in day 12. Thank you so much.